Hello, today I'm going to show you how to configure clean Windows operation system to desired state configuration. What is it? In my job always I have a lot of Windows machine which I can to prepare for the next setup of application, maybe the next tasks. You can automate this process and just relax when your Ansible work. First of all, for management our Windows server without join to domain, we need to set the WinRM authentication to basic. And the second part, we need to allow encrypted traffic via WinRM. When we did this, do the next job. Change time zone. Permit necessary firewalls rules. For a configuration, when we join to domain, our firewall's rules is changed. Then change host name. Join to domain our machine. Then we set up Windows updates and Ansible always reboot when necessary. And then we check again and then enable remote desktop protocol. And last we disable basic WinRM and authentication and deny encrypted traffic. In preceded video I showed you how to can create necessary configuration Ansible AWX Ansible tower. If you haven't seen this, please see. Now I want to show you how you can to set up your clean Windows OS to desired state configuration. You will save time and never miss it. I show you how to do this. In front of me I have clean Windows Server 2016 and I haven't joined to domain. Now I have network setup one and I have to configure our WinRM for management through it. For this purpose I need to run command line as administrator and start to command. First one and another one command for unencrypted traffic. Just correct preceded command. Allow unencrypted. Okay, and now I have to manage my Windows Server through WinRM. Now I show you step by step how to do this. First of all, we need to create inventories. Inventory name Windows desired state configuration. And organization default save. Now I need to create two groups. Domain Windows when Windows in domain and when Windows new group non-domain. Why I do this? Because when I manage with basic authentication I need to IP address. When I manage machine when joined in domain, I need to name because I manage through Kerberos. I need to fully qualified domain name. Next, I need to create hosts. Domain, new host. I call it temp server. Save. The next group, non-domain. Here's one I need to create with IP address. So, okay. The next one I need to create project. Project is just sync our repository to local repository. And I call it GitHub AWX repository organization default, choose Git and copy my repository. Okay, save. When you have successful, it's you have a green point. And you need two credentials. Credentials with local admin. I have administrator, and the next I have Windows domain admin. And the last, I need to create some templates. Change time zone Windows run inventory Windows desired state configuration project our GitHub AWX repository, and now we can choose our playbook, change time zone. The next one, get credentials. We need to choose our Windows local admin because and here's one we need to limit non-domain, just non-domain. Here's one window verbosity 0. Okay, and copy some extra variables. Save. The next one I create next job template. Change computer name. Run inventory. Use my inventory. Project the same. GitHub AWX repository. Choose playbooks. Change hostname YAML. Credentials. Again, we need to choose Windows local admin. Non-domain because we have to use basic authorization. Domain with local admin domain and need through IP address manage and when we use change computer name, we need to use our computer name extra variables additional the same as inventory file. I shows you change host name. Here I use my computer name. Save. Okay, the next one I create join to domain template. So job template join to domain, run our inventory, Windows desired state configuration, project GitHub AWX repository. The next I need to join to domain, credentials the same, Windows local admin, verbosity, and non-domain, and I need to some extra variables. Here's I choose the same name server. I need to domain admin, and I need password. Attention, here's one. I want to show you how to do this, how to hide your pass. In domain admin pass, comp domain, pass, comp domain. Now I need to press save, and the next part of I need to pass, prompt pass, answer type, password, unless default answer. Default answer is my domain admin password. Okay, press from add save. Now we get our password to encrypt it. Okay, click save, and the next job is Windows update. Let's create it. Windows update, run inventory. Now I have to choose project, choose Win, credentials. Now I have to choose Windows domain admin. You will update your server in domain. Here's one domain. Extra variables for managing domain. Domain description, domain save. The next step is enable RDP. Template, job template, remote desktop protocol, Windows desired state configuration. GitHub place enable RDP. Credentials is domain admin limit domain. Here's one Kerberos. Okay, I think I'm nothing missing. So, and I want to install Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Install Google Chrome inventory. We do this in domain. Install Google Chrome. Credentials domain. Domain 1. Kerberos. And I think I need to one yet template manage our firewall, because when I join to domain, our firewall's rules is changed. Okay. Change firewall Windows inventory, Windows desired state configuration, GitHub AWX repository, Windows allow credentials as a local admin before we join to domain, non-domain 0. Need like this. Workflow template. Windows, the desired state, workflow. Save. Press to start. Choose our first template. Now you can combine all this template as you want. The first one, I want to change my time zone. Always run. Any convergence. The next one, I want to change my computer's name on success. Always any. The next one, I want to join to domain our machine. Configure firewall of Windows. Always any. Okay. The next one, I want to join the domain. Okay, on always. And the next, I want to Windows update. Always. Windows update. And Another one, I choose Windows and Day update. Sometimes we need to 2 times to run in Windows update. Click on our template, third page, always. And next one, I want to enable RDP. Your job, enable RDP, select, and the last, I install Google. Just move the left, install Google Chrome. Always. Select, save. Whew, it's complete. Now I can start our workflow and see what happened. Okay, let's go. Does desired start workflow. Jobs, change computer name, as you can see, I have a reboot after change name, to change name. It takes a little some time. The next job is joint domain. Something goes wrong. The error was path undefined. Something doing not right. Let's start again. Successful. Change time zone. Change computer name. Successful. Change firewall Windows. Successful. Join to domain. Okay. Come through. Was rebooted. Let's see what happened. Now you have path encrypted. Its job is complete. Windows update. Something goes wrong. Unreachable through true incorrect while getting initial credentials. Let's see what is my credentials. Okay. Maybe I changed sometimes. Let's start again. Computer is joined to the main. Is unreachable. Why he is unreachable? Ah, it's wrong. Cancel job. Change our template. Windows update. Windows update because stop domain. Windows domain desired state configuration domain. It's the right way. Go inventories. Desired state configuration. Group domain, no domain. I think I started to Windows Update. Let's see. Work our Windows Update. Windows CPU is PowerShell. Ansible is working. I cancelled Windows Update because it's taken too much time, but it worked properly, and now I have to install Google Chrome, and my workflow is completed. So our workflow is complete. As you can see, I have Google Chrome. I have enabled remote desktop protocol. I have joined it and changed computer name, remote settings. I have enabled remote control. I have Windows firewall ruler for my AWX tower, and maybe for me you can change for your variables in my playbook. Subscribe, click on thumbs up, and see you later. Thank you.